Are you scared to fix things at home, even the simplest repairs? Maybe you'll mess things up? Well, you're not alone. I used to feel the same way. Even small repairs felt out of reach. I didn't grow up fixing things, and I didn't know where to start. But I want to reassure you, you're more capable than you think. By the way, my name is Roland. My YouTube channel is Getting It Done, Budget Home Repairs, and I want to welcome you. You don't have to be a pro to do your own home repairs. Look, you'll see a lot of YouTube channels. They got a whole display of tools behind them. They got a fancy studio, and they're going to teach you how to fix things. And that's fine. But I want you to feel comfortable here. I'm just a regular guy. We're going to shoot this video in my yard. There's no fancy tools to show you. There's no fancy studio. But I reassure you, I can teach you how to fix the simplest things around your home. And you don't have to hire someone to do it, and you're going to feel very good about it. We're going to build up your confidence. Now, I remember back in the 90s, my wife and I bought our first home, and we had a wall downstairs, a drywall that had a hole in it. And I was like, oh, I'm going to fix this, but I didn't know what to do. And there was no YouTube back in the 90s, so what did I do? Well, I talked to friends, and nobody really seemed to know what to do. I had a basic home repair book, and it showed you how to fix such holes in your wall. So I read through the book, I got the materials and the tools that I needed, and I'm telling you, that patch did not turn out perfect, but I did patch that hole. It looked a little rough, I won't lie to you, but it got done. But it took me a long time to get everything together, to get the confidence and to get the courage to get started on this repair. Remember, this is something I have never done before. But once I got all the materials and the tools, I got at it. I even bought the drywall compound in the little container like this, and I got to it. And it took me a long time to fix it, not like it could today, because I didn't know what I was doing at the time. But nevertheless, I did fix that hole in the wall. And I was shocked how actually easy it was once I had the tools, and I just tried. I basically tried, and it worked out. Now, fixing a hole in a wall like this is a lot different than some other basic repairs. So it can be done by anybody who has never done anything before. Now, that's where it all started, and I did a few odd repairs here and there around the home. And then fast forward a couple decades, maybe more, I lived in a different home. And this guy across the road moved in. We got to know each other, and he was renovating the whole house. Gut it and totally renovate it. We started chumming around. I was helping him with things. He was helping me with things. He was teaching me a lot, actually. And I learned so much from him. He actually gave me the confidence to try things. He used to say to me about drywall, he says, houses aren't meant to be square and perfect. He says, even though they look like they are, they're not. He went on to tell me that when you're putting up drywall and you're mudding and taping and all that thing, there's going to be a lot of imperfections. But with primer and paint, pretty much everything gets hidden. People don't notice a lot of those imperfections. You can go into a brand new home that actual professional builders had built, and you can see that all the imperfections, if you know what you're looking for. You don't even have to know what you're looking for. Those imperfections are all there, but you don't really notice it because it's such a big scale. He told me that several things and other relevant topics about home repairs and homes, and it started to sink into my head that, hey, I don't have to be perfect. I can learn this. I can do this. And so from that time on, I've been repairing and trying everything on my own and saving lots of money in the process. So I'm here to tell you, you don't need to be handy. You just need the willingness to learn. No one starts out knowing how to do all this. We all start somewhere. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting it done. Here I am in the basement. I know it's a little dark down here, but this wall here had a big TV on it with a huge TV mount. There was multiple holes all over this wall, and I patched them all, sanded them all, primed, painted, and look at it now. It looks like it had never been touched. I renovated this washroom. There used to be an older mirror here with some holes that were left behind. I fixed the walls, bought a new mirror at Home Depot, installed it. Looks really clean now. That's another type of fix and renovation you can learn here. Looking in the back of the toilet here, this flush valve messed up once. I changed this. I can show you how to do that. Sometimes you have to replace the flapper. All simple fixes you can learn to do yourself. I will show you how to fix plugged drains. This pop-up drain I did a video and it got stuck down like this. I did a video on it. It brought in over 2 million views so far, and it's helped thousands of people. And many left me wonderful comments. I'm starting a new series, and the reason I did, because I was thinking about people. I was thinking about new homeowners, or even people that live in apartments. They just moved out of their parents' home. They're living out on their own. They're moving into their own place, and they're going to have repairs down the road. Maybe they have never done a thing in their life. They've never done any repairs on a home, just basic repairs. I was also thinking about seniors and having to do their home repairs as well. And I was thinking how a lot of people need to get over the hurdle of not knowing what to do, build up their confidence, and build up their skill level, and do these fixes themselves and save money. It's so expensive to hire people to come in and do anything nowadays. And I wanted to speak to those people, and maybe you're one of them. In this series, I'm going to show you some simple fixes. I'm also going to talk about basic tools that you need to do home repairs on your own. You don't have to have the most expensive and fancy tools. You can get by with just basic tools. I'm going to teach you how to buy those tools when they're on sale. And no, you're not going to need a tool belt. That's unnecessary. And as time goes, I'm going to show you how to use each tool. I don't want you to be intimidated by tools. There's no need for that. I'll show you exactly how to use them and what they're for. Not only are you going to learn a lot in this series, but I have a channel full of videos on how to fix certain things that may help you. Every Saturday, I'm going to show you a repair, or I'm going to show you a tool, how to use a tool, or one trick to build your confidence. Comment below and tell me what you've been scared to fix. I might feature it in an upcoming video, or let me know what your first DIY win was. But at the end of the day, I want you to know that you can fix things on your own without messing up, and you can feel good about it. It's so empowering. If this sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the thumbs up button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.